There's no coolant in the truck. You know we're basic when we got the Starbucks app, and we got it's under Teresa's name, but we got 297 stars,
racking them up
in like a couple days. I don't always drink Starbucks. Actually, I do drink Starbucks, but a nitro cold brew is what you want to get.
Dude, it smells so good in here now.
Look at that. It's cascading down. Alright guys, what the heck is up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here today. It's an awesome epic day in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. No, but seriously, I haven't checked the truck since I got the windshield tinted. Since we did all that, you guys see that video, it'll be linked below. It's been super cold and the water did freeze in between the film and the window, so we're gonna try to see if it is proper. What's this? Oh no, look right there. See that finger there, finger there, finger there? That was what Glenn, the tint guy, was worried about, because you see the curvature of this windshield, how it curves over right here. Mm-hmm. It's hard to get the film to to lay over it, and it's been so cold that it hasn't had a chance to really stay down. Oh, it's staying down. Look at this thing in here. What is this? You guys know JB from the channel, my brother-in-law Josh? This was at his wedding. This was the thing that they walked through. Like, they had doors on here and they like walked through this before they went down the aisle, you know? How did it end up here? Have you guys been staying up on your nitro cold brews? Because I haven't been, and it's winter time, so I don't know. Hopefully this thing will start. Last time the battery was super dead. Woo! Golden. We're currently still doing 60 mile an hour. We got to figure out that fix. I seen a couple of you guys comment. I appreciate that. Some kind of solenoid thing goes bad in there or whatever, and it's a pain to fix, but we got to probably do that. We need to get some washer fluid. You gotta have washer fluid if you wanna get anywhere
in the winter time, winter months.
If you wanna get anywhere in life, you gotta have washer fluid. Check out our LS. I think it's a high horsepower machine. Oh, dude! There's no coolant in the truck. None. Like it's empty. I literally just checked that. When we tinted the windows, I had the hood up because the battery was dead, and I'm positive that there was coolant in there. There's a little bit in there. I looked under it in the garage. There was no drips. We're losing coolant.
Where's it going?
We're either burning it or it's in the oil. Our oil level's about, right in the middle. So I don't think it's going into the engine. I mean, we must be burning coolant. That's not good. Old 4.8's hurting. Uh-oh. I have a solution. I've been planning this for a while. I don't know if this is the right time for it, but if we're burning coolant, we got to pull the engine. And this is what we're going to do. All right, guys, we made it up to the field. It was super muddy getting up here. Good thing we didn't take the red truck. We had to go get the Ford, so we dropped the Chevy off because that's only 2-wheel drive, and we definitely wouldn't have made it up here. If the Chevy's jacked up, right? If we're burning coolant, we're not gonna build the 4.8. Wow, that sun's so bright. We're not gonna build the 4.8. The 4.8's just a little small. And, if you're gonna build something, might as well build the 6.0, right? What do you think? So this has the 6.0, I think it's the LQ4, and then it has the 4L80 transmission. This is the donor truck. If you guys are a follower of the channel, you would have seen this before. Wow. 2000 or an 01 Chevy 2500 gasser. I mean, she's ready to rip. I don't think we could use this in particular truck. I literally think the frame is split in half from rust. This was a plow truck and it probably hasn't been ran since 2010. But it's a perfect candidate to pull that engine. Obviously we'd have to go through the engine, go through the transmission, But I don't know. I initially had plans to use this truck for something, but if the frame's like super rusted, we can't do that. I don't know. What do you think? What should we do?
Take the motor out of it. Leave it sit where it is.
This truck's scary. It's scary. I don't even want to bring this to the garage. I wish there'd be a way where we could get the engine and trans out here and then take just those two and leave the truck here.
What did he say about the transmission? He said to get a GTO?
He said go with a 4L65.
I was like, what? I couldn't hear him. Wait.
Ah! Oh my god.
He needs a little cleaning up.
I mean, we obviously wouldn't use the harness or anything. We just need the block. I mean, mainly just the engine. Wow. The wires are like all chewed. It's crazy what mice do. Like, why do they chew the wires? Do you guys see those wires right there? Oh my god. Why would they do that? This is interesting. I really wish we could just pull the engine and trans out in the field. Maybe we should just try to do that.
We should just whack the sides off it.
Just take a sawzall, just cut the wires.
Yep.
Disconnect the engine mounts and transmission mount and just pull it all out in one. All right, guys, so we figured out what we're gonna do with the step side. This is Operation Cheap Speed. We have the perfect platform, 2-wheel drive, Chevy 1500, single cab, 6-foot bed. We have an LS, but we have a slight problem with this LS. It's eating coolant. This is a brand new issue. I've never seen this issue yet with this truck. I didn't know that this was a problem. And we got a little, little rusty spot in the frame in the back. The frame's like paper thin. It's not good. So yeah, Operation Cheap Speed. What do you guys want to see with the step side? You just seen the engine that we possibly might swap into here. That's a 6.0 with the 4L80 because this is a 4L60 and those are like not good at all. So we got to do possibly the 6.0 swap with the 4L80. But here's why we need that swap. Alright, we got a little wheel speed going, but I don't know, it takes a lot for it to really jump off. The 4.8, it just kind of doesn't want to do it, but you know, we got it going a little bit there. So there's your perfect example of Operation Cheap Speed engaged on the Chevy 1500. There's so much mud on the tires. We're gonna go into the road and it's gonna be flinging off. But guys, that is the option. Because like I said, if we're gonna build something, it might as well be the 6.0, not the 4.8. So we're branching into different territory. 2020 is the year of cheap speed. No, I'm kidding.
No.
2020 is the year of us diversifying on the channel. So we're
coming out with all new stuff.
Yeah, we're coming out with all new stuff. We're gonna do a whole bunch of new stuff on this channel because, guys, you know, primarily we've been doing mainly diesel stuff on the channel, but I'm into so much more than diesel stuff, like dirt bikes, you know, cars, muscle cars, tuners, exotics. So I've been kind of pigeonholed on only doing diesel stuff on the channel, and we're changing that. 2020, we are 100%. We're already changing that because we're already talking about doing the cheap speed build on the step side. It's so weird that thing is burning coolant. I don't know. It's not in the oil. It's not leaking. It has to be burning it. I don't know how that's possible. Maybe there's a head gasket going bad or something. I don't know how it would be burning coolant otherwise. But yeah, there was no puddles under the truck. It's not, the oil level wasn't high. It's just burning coolant. So I don't know, but there's no smoke coming out of the tailpipe either. Like weird, you know, like you can tell if it's burning coolant. This is interesting. I literally just sat in the seat. It's completely full of mouse poo, like a whole bunch. So I Probably got some like mouse disease or something.
Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hay. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the balls. I'm flipping the. On record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage.